All right, so we have our siding here, and we want to add a texture to that. And so let's go back and hit the magic wand and select all of these different pieces. So we're going to hold the shift key, go up the wall here, select them. A little bit of work to kind of go through all of these. And once we do this, we're going to apply a layer mask. And we're going to be able to rotate our texture to kind of line up. And sometimes with these, I may want to stick to just a normal grain texture, not a texture that looks like siding, but it actually might work out well to our advantage here. So we've got a layer mask here. We're going to drag over this wood texture. Maybe we'll go to the darker one actually. Let's bring over this darker texture. And actually that looks like roofing. Let's go back to this one. So we've got this darker texture here, or this siding texture here, and we want to right-click on this, right-click near the text. We're going to go to Convert to Smart Object, and here's where we start to make this look a little more real. And we're going to hit Control-T, and now what we can do is rotate this texture, and I'm going to rotate it a full 90 degrees. And we'll drag this over so it's covering. And what we want to do is we actually want to try to line up our boards with our lines here that we have in from our SketchUp model. And so what I'm going to do is we're going to go up here and go to Free Transform and go to Skew. And I think what we want to do is actually like increase our outer edge like this. And you can see they're getting pretty close. And we probably got to do it a lot more than that. Looks like the bottom is probably decent. Probably this one needs to go up more. That's getting pretty close. So just a little bit of more adjustment. And so yeah, a bit of trial and error. I'm probably not going to continue adjusting this as much, but what you want to do is try to get that texture to look pretty close to your siding. And then once you're done, we can apply this mask to there, and we have that siding look on the side of our building. And so that's how to use layer masks and our patterns. But that Smart Object tool is how you get that pattern to start aligning. And as I said, it is a little bit of manual work, and obviously it's not 100% correct here, but that's how you would get to the look of that area.